What's up guys, welcome to another video. It has been a while since we've actually made a mod video on the S2000, so I'm very happy to make this one. We picked up some parts from Japan actually, just got back. Picked up some engine covers, like a carbon fiber one, but the coolest part about it, it's ASM, and we got it signed by the founder of ASM, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So we're gonna throw that on, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so here is the engine valve cover, as you can see, signed by the ASM founder, and we're gonna throw that in the S2000 right over there, and my dad will be doing it all and I'll just be filming. So let's go do that right now. Alright, so now we have to take out the current one and put in this new ASM. So here's the current one. Now we can put in the signed ASM valve cover. There we go. Now we just need to screw it in. Look at that. The spoon oil cap too. Just wow. Carbon fiber. I really like this look. I know that like S2000s aren't like for carbon fiber, but like I've seen lots of them with a full carbon fiber hood, but I think this really fits it because you can't really see it from the inside, I mean from the outside, but since you can't really see much else when you're just looking at the engine, it just like, I know it's black, but like it just pops. It looks very nice. And that is it for today's video. If you'd like to see more S2000 modifications that we make, please comment down below of what we should do. Pretty sure we have some more mods coming soon, hopefully. But yeah, been a little busy lately. Just came back from Japan, but yeah, thanks for watching.